Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here today, I say a very big welcome to you. However, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button. And in case you want to buy your skincare recipe or ingredient, you can ask for also shout us via the number on your screen. Okay, my people, I just want us to go through how we can make, today will be looking how we can make a glowing oil and at the same time a toning oil. So let's just make it together. And in here I have my all my recipe already that I will be listening to you guys. So because of this oil is a customized oil that me and you gonna customize right now, right away, you have to listen attentively. Okay, it doesn't really take much to do all these things, like when you try to promise, because sometimes I will be saying like I'm tired of buying some of all this oil out there. Let me customize my own oil and I will do it and to work for me. So let me give you this recipe out for us, so you should go try out to see it how it works, and also come give us review as well. It's very okay. A lot of people, they will be mistaking a whitening oil for a glowing oil, then also others will be mistaking a glowing oil for a whitening oil. So I think it's our time we have to understand that all this oil, they have their own area of perspective where they work. Okay, but you can use them to customize and they will still work for you. Just don't give up, give it a try. No matter, before you waste some oils, you try it doesn't work, try to keep doing it until you catch up with it. But if you believe that no, there's no point of me trying and error on all that, then why not register with the school and just register with the skincare school that we just doing, and you, before you know, you're good. All right, so let's go with this. Now, a lot of us, we don't know that like this oil, Argan Oil, Jojoba Oil, these two oil precisely, they are glowing oil, and also they're kind of oil that you can use to make anything, like all skin type. When me glowing oil. So the question that Jumoke asked, can glowing oil, can white person use glowing oil? Why not? You can use glowing oil. All right. Yeah. So Jojoba and Argan oil, they are glowing oil. All right. Then so let's begin. If you want to do this, just listen. First of all, you want to promise a glowing oil slash toning oil. First of all, you bring all the glowing oil, you measure them like 50 ml, and here we have our Argan oil, which is the first one. Make sure 50 ml, okay? Then Jojoba oil 50 ml, okay? Then again, a rescue oil 50 ml. All this oil, you have their names, so make sure them all of them 50 ml, and the perfect glow 50 ml, and then also our Vid Gold oil also 3-in-1, measure 50 ml. Okay, then our Nano Half, as you know, Nano Half. Let me tell you, it's not because when they say Nano Half, so is a half cast your body when you use it. Those reviews they be giving, no, you must use it with some oil before you can get that evil tone you want to get, or you must use it with another lotion to get, are you getting it? So don't just say assume. Don't, and in this skincare business, don't assume, otherwise you'll be putting yourself into problem. All right, so take your Nano Half oil 15 ml as well. Then these are the vital toning oil you will put. You put Roko oil. Roko oil, as we all know, is a whitening oil. All right, it's a whitening oil that when you use it, it's because of the way it tone fast, people stop using it. So people call it like it's a bleaching oil. I don't like, people don't do Roko oil anymore. Like they've taken it from market. But if you can't find Roko oil, you can also get Asan oil. Those Asan is still a whitening oil. All these are good Thailand oil that you can also use. All right. Basically, if you can't buy the full one, you can just buy maybe half liter. You know, when you buy half liter, keep it. You'll be using. It's very good for whitening cream when using Asian oil and Roko oil also. Then another oil that is E3 oil. That E3 oil is another amazing oil. I don't even know how people come about that oil. Before I was even thinking it's the bleaching oil, but it's not. All right, it's the way people, they over combine it to other oils before you know it turns bleaching oil. You understand? Some people they intend to go add hydroquinone and some other. So other than that, Roko oil, Asian oil, E3 oil, these are not bleaching oil, but they are whitening oil. So what you take in all of this oil, their percentage or the spoons you can take, you can just take about like all this other 150 ml we said. But these three other oil I just call for you. You take about four spoon. Roko oil, Asian oil, and E3 oil. Those oils take four spoon. All right. Then mix them together. Blend properly. After that, you blend. Then just keep it overnight. All right. When you keep it overnight, so that all of them can mix together and fuse together very well. Then the next morning you cannot put coconut oil, just 1 spoon, then blend together. All right, then put inside your lotion, begin to use or give to somebody to use. You will see in the next 7 days, you see this skin will pop up generally, like, oh, the ingredient you mix together, this is a glowing and I mean a toning oil that you've added together. Before you see, you'll be looking more like you get like 4 shades. You'll be surprised in 7 days. How did it happen? It's just because the combination of oil that you put together are able to fuse together and do their work. It's just that people don't know how to mix oil. And I said that like I will be giving classes on that, which I've done that. The first day we were online, and then nobody came up, and I said, this is not when I was doing testing. You came up, you said, you wasn't talking. No, we actually did it, you know. So above that, so I want to call the oils again and know what we use, and that is the end of the class. We said Perfect Glow oil, Jojoba oil, and almond oil, Vit Gold oil, then Argan oil. All of them, those ones I just called, they are 50 ml. All right, then Roko oil and Asian oil, and also E3 oil. These ones, they are just 4 spoon. And the next day you put coconut oil. Unless I forget, also put your Nano Half oil. That one is still 50 ml. Okay, when you put all this, you mix together, you've made a very perfect toning oil. You don't need to, there's no, for those of us who don't want to be using, bleaching oils, who don't want to use bleaching powder, who don't want to use cream and all that, you can be using all this use for your body before you see, and it doesn't give knuckles. It doesn't give knuckles at all. Before you know, your skin pop up. All of this I've said now. If in case you're trying to look for Roko oil, Asian oil, and E3 oil, you cannot get it, you can always shout me up. Though they are expensive, but you can get them, because those are the magic oil that you can use to promise your oil and it will work for you. When you see all these things, people spend money to buy product, and you'll be coming from one corner, you will just be looking. No, buy product and make your oil, you will get it right. And for those of these people, they will come, they will just ask how much is this, they will say I'm going to pay money. Nobody has to go pay money. If you don't have, you say, okay, I will get back to you. Kindly excuse me about that.